What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ron P. I appreciate y'all tuning back into the channel. So today I'm gonna be recording a song, and I'm just gonna show you guys the plugins that I'm using. I'm using all stock plugins in FL Studio 21, except one plugin, which is the Fresh Air plugin. And if you don't have that plugin, I highly suggest you get it. It's an amazing plugin and it's free. So, but other than that, the rest of the plugins I'm using the stock plugins. And if you guys find this video helpful at all, you learned anything, you got any suggestions, tips, tricks, anything you want to share, just make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, comment down below. And to respond to a subscriber that was asking what microphone was I using and what interface, I'm using the Shure MV7X and I'm using the Apollo Twin interface. Without further ado, like I said, I'm gonna just work on this song and just show you guys the effects. And by the way, the vocal preset that I'm using in this video, I do have this video available. I do have this vocal preset available for download on my site, so you can click the link in the description and go download this vocal preset. All right. Yeah, you gotta chill in that moment because you know it can get real in that moment. I know you feeling me, homie. No, them boys tripping, it get real to crossing your partner, they ain't real to me, homie. You know it can get real in that moment. I know you feeling me, homie. Crossing your partner, they ain't real to me, homie. You know it can get real in that moment. I know you feeling me, homie. Crossing your partner, they ain't real to me, homie. And if you guys want to learn how to do punch-ins like that, where I'm just hitting the space bar and I'm able to just boom, keep going, I made a video on it, but I can make a more in-depth video on it, so just let me know. And this is what I like about FL Studio 21. They got it to now where you can change each clip. You can control, the volume up. You can control the volume on each clip now, so that's pretty cool. You know it can get real in that moment. I know you feeling me, homie. Crossing your partner, they ain't real to me, homie. That type of shit. That type of stuff. That type of shit. Playing like that could get you killed, little homie. Feeling me, homie. Crossing your partner, they ain't real to me, homie. Playing like that could get you killed, little homie. I don't know why I hit the space bar so damn hard. My goodness. They ain't real to me, homie. Playing like that could get you killed, little homie. That's what it is, little homie. Yeah. Playing like that could get you killed, little homie. That's what it is, little homie. Little homie. I'm trying to stack up me. I'm trying to stack up, homie. That's what it is, little homie. I'm trying to stack up me a meal, little homie. Little homie, that's what it is, little homie. I'm trying to stack up me a meal, little homie. Little homie, and put my feet up and live, little homie. Little homie, I'm trying to live, little homie. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll fill in that blank in a minute. Me a meal, little homie. You know what's up. I'm trying to live, little homie. Yeah, see, that's how you do that. Trying to stack up me a meal, little homie. You know what's up. I'm trying to live, little. All right, let me see. Trying to stack up me a meal, little homie. You know what's up. I'm trying to live, little homie. I'm trying to live, little homie. That's how I gotta say. Trying to stack up me a meal, little homie. You know what's up. I'm trying to live, little homie. There it is. It's all about that energy. Trying to stack up me a meal, little homie. You know what's up. I'm trying to live, little homie. Homie, you know what's up. I'm trying to live, little homie. But you still trying to play those games. The cops come, we don't say no names. But you still trying to play those games. The cops come, we don't say no names. So sometimes when I have trouble going to the next line, just some advice. If you stuck on the line and you don't know what to put next, sometimes it's cool to skip that line and go to the next bar. And then you can go back and then like kind of touch it up. It's kind of like, you remember in school when you didn't know the word, the teacher tell you to read around the words. And you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of that. So just a little tip. And then you can go back. So as you see, I got this whole space right here. I'm going to go back and fix that. Trust. But you still trying to play those games. The cops come, we don't say no names. Obviously, this is just a lead or whatever. It's nowhere near finished. Please do not judge me, because by the time this song come out or something, it'll be a totally different song when y'all hear it. But just for the video purposes, I'm just gonna jump into editing these vocals. All right, so first thing first, Papa. All right, so you see I got my raw vocals going into channel 2, which is routed to channel 3, which has my vocal presets on here or whatever. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I said that I'm using the Fresh Air plugin, which is, I'm gonna show y'all real quick, an amazing plugin, by the way. Make sure you get that. This is the Fresh Air plugin, but I'm not using that on these vocals at the moment. I'm gonna probably use it in the master. It works amazing in the master. When you get ready to master your music, try this Fresh Air plugin. But we're not using that on the vocals right now, so I'm gonna just mute that. So I do have a Fruity compressor, and I can't tell you how much to compress your vocals. Every vocal is different. Every microphone is different. So, but I use the Fruity compressor. My parametric EQ, I actually need to do a frequency sweep right now, but I'm just showing y'all what I use. Fruity parametric EQ 2, Fruity Reverb, Maximus, Soundgoodizer. Now, with the Maximus, you know, you could use Maximus as a compressor, and I like using Maximus as a compressor because it's a visual. Like, using Fruity compressor is cool if you if you don't understand like the threshold numbers and the gain and stuff like that. Using Maximus will kind of give you a visual, and I'm gonna show you real quick. You gotta chill in that moment because you know it can get real in that moment. I know. So you see how the vocals is compressed and nothing's going over that line, and you know, so it's good to have a visual, and that's also why I like using Fruity parametric EQ. You gotta chill in that moment because you have a visual of, you know, the vocals and the frequencies, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, so I use Maximus as a compressor as well, and like I said, Soundgoodizer. So those are the effects that I use. That preset right here that I got is on the site. You guys can go there. When you apply it to your vocal, listen, I guarantee you my vocal preset, this setting right here will work on almost any vocal. You just have to tweak it just a little bit, and I guarantee you, trust me, it's going to work good on your vocals. Make sure y'all go to the site and download that. Remember that if you guys need help learning FL Studio 21, or you want to learn how to quick punch the way that I was doing it when I just hit the space bar, just comment down below. I'll show you guys how to do that. And I'm going to get back to work. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.